Western influence in big cities versus the traditional villages.
Yeah. All right. So Daniel's starting us off on Amira. My friend, like Tina said, this is an Amira song that Thomas Mapfumo popularized. That's a mouthful. Say that 5 times fast. But I wanted to invite our music director, Randy McIntosh, to join us. And I saw Clayton Tendai Masta. Clayton, where are you? We have a Zimbabwean friend in the audience. If someone could tell him we want him to play with us, he can come up and play kulas, drums, or hosho. We'd love that. I want to also give a special shout out to some guests we have with us tonight. Aliana Collins, shake your hosho girl. She played with us for many, many years. We had the pleasure of getting her on the nights that she wasn't playing with Tunis Makar. She's been playing gamelan for many, many, many years, and we got her for a number of those. And I think this is the first time they've actually shared a bill with Tunis Makar. So it's so nice to have her. Welcome back, Aliana. And then our good friend Jennifer Kiker, who, when she was 14 and came back from Zimbabwe, I saw her play with Charlo Kutiro, and I said, I want to play Hosho like that one. So she's been my inspiration, even though she's my little sister. Here's Fukukaru Zero.
Akazimba yekuti mbuya kakashaya